Debbie and Scuba-Dude, and I'm in Niagara Falls getting a pair of earrings. So we're gonna see how this goes. So we got these earrings today, all the way in Niagara Falls. Pretty cool. So that's cool for today. Let's keep hunting. We are gonna get these little pretties today to help us with these at Pandora at Limeridge Mall. Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scuba-Dude, and I'm gonna take you guys to Plato's Closet. And then we're gonna go back to Haley's and we're gonna do an unboxing because we got this. See you soon. Hi.
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Good. Just leave your shopping and
Awesome. Can I see something in the showcase? There's one for me, one for you. I don't have that one.
Okay, sorry, you have to do that stuff. Okay, you're all good to go? Okay, there's just a couple of video ones.
You gotta hold that like that.
Okay, and if you can call either number because my friend is with me on third number.
Okay, we gotta do a whole video. What did Haley get? Put him on. Put him here. What did you get? No, not that silly. In Pandora, in Plato's Closet. She got pounds. Okay, put the pounds back and we'll use it as a drop box. Because Nani found something cool. We found the mini part of the mini puzzle ring. That was cool. And we found the super old beach ball. That's so old. And a pretty clip. Always need a pretty clip, right? Pretty clip. But the mini puzzle ring, let me try and get you a better picture. Yeah, hold camera for a second. There. Many ears in a bow. Pretty cool. Love it. All right, that's Plato's Closet, guys. Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scuba-Dude. And we have my Haley today. Hi, Haley.
Hi.
We are going to do something to her Pandora Me bracelet. See that cute little stopper there? That's so she's not going to lose any more charms. And this hint was from Nicole of My Charmed Life. Thank you, Nicole. So we went up to Pandora today and we got some stuff and we're gonna get Haley to unwrap that. Haley, can you unwrap that for us? It's an unboxing. And we don't have the sales that you guys have in the States up there today. So that's coming up in 2 weeks. But we needed this stuff today. So, what do we got? Oh, we got a charm that is a replacement. My dragon broke and they were nice enough to exchange it for me. So he's going back on the princess bracelet. All right, so that's at home for me later. And we've got a whole bunch of these really pretty pink spacers. And there's 3 for me and 3 for Haley. She's got 1 on already. And this is so we don't ever lose them again. So I'm psyched about that. And Haley, this is for you. Open up. Super surprise. Oh, what did you get?
Earrings.
Let me see which ones they are. Oh, it's the My Flower. And there's another one in there. So Haley's collection of earrings has grown. Right now she's peeking out all Nanny's rings. What are you doing in Nanny's ring box? That's next video, babes. Nanny's ring box. Put it back. Put it back. Anyways, guys, thanks for coming. Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scooby Dude and my sweet little Haley. Hello. Now we're going to put these on. Thanks for coming and we'll see you really soon. Oh, we got her one of these, of course. Do you like that? She likes it. Okay, guys, talk to you soon. Subscribe and share, and we'll see you back really soon. Gosh, I totally forgot. We have more. We went to Plato's Closet, and we got some good deals there. For $12. Look at that little guy. He thinks he's 10 feet tall. Chip. Chip. You're on camera, buddy. Okay, we're going to pause. Okay. Oh, totally forgot. What do you got on your hand? Reading Nanny's rings. Give us a show.
Rose one and then the little
Daisy. Okay, and we got to talk quietly because the air conditioning is turned on. All right. We found this old beach ball there. How fabulous is that? That was $15, but I used my 30% off coupon. So, we got that one. It's got to be polished still. Also found this beautiful clip. And I think that was $12. Yep, $12. And the best, because I'm a Mickey freak and a Minnie freak, we found half of the puzzle rings. So we got Minnie's ears. Ah, what can be cuter than Minnie's ears? Is it cute? Haley said she's cuter than Minnie's ears. That's true, she is cuter than Minnie's ears. But it's Minnie's ears. So I'm thrilled about that. All right. So we'll see you guys back really soon. And I'm going to end this video because my little princess is reading my rings. All right. Thanks for coming, Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scooby Doo and Haley.
Hello.
Ring shopping in Nanny's stacker box.
Yep.
Not a good day. Okay, it was a great day. It was a fun day. Okay, take care. Bye.